Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, turn off your HVAC or place the Nest in hold so the system won't cycle while you work. Use a small flat tool to gently pry the display straight off the base. You will feel 2 clips release. Once off, set the display on a soft cloth and take a quick photo of any displayed settings so you can confirm them later. This prevents accidental resets and helps you restore preferences after the swap. You now access the battery compartment. Look behind the display or under the small cover and open it. Carefully remove the old CR2032 cell while noting the plus and minus orientation, because correct polarity matters for boot and calibration. Once removed, slide the new battery into place so the contacts meet firmly and the cell sits flat. After inserting, press the compartment closed and align the display. Once done, snap the display back onto the base and restore HVAC power. You should see the Nest boot sequence within seconds. Make sure Wi-Fi reconnects and the temperature and schedule look correct. If something seems off, you can re-enter Wi-Fi from settings. If the thermostat doesn't power on or behaves erratically, reseat the battery and the display to secure contacts, and then try a fresh CR2032. This single troubleshooting step resolves most failures without needing tools.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.